Hey guys, I'm Ty with MuscleWiki. This is our lovely model, Amber. She's going to be assisting us on the forward lunge today. So I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your forward lunge and also a couple of things not to do. Okay, so first and foremost, we want to start with your upper body always on lower body exercises because it often gets overlooked. So you want nice tall chest. Imagine you have your favorite sports team logo on your chest and you want to show that logo off. Pull those shoulder blades back. Another thing to pay attention to is your eyes. So oftentimes on a lunge, people will look straight down. Now, your body will follow your eyes. So if you're looking to the side, your body's going to go that way. If you're looking down, your body's going to go that way. So you want to keep eyes straight ahead. Find a point to fixate on and just stare at it. That'll also help you a lot with your balance. Okay? And so then from there, if we're going just body weight, forward lunge, you can go either hands to your sides, you can go prayer hands, you can go here, whatever feels most comfortable. And then you're going to step out either leg. I personally prefer to do one leg at a time on a forward lunge and take a short break in between just so I can get the maximum amount of weight and reps. But alternating is totally fine. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be going alternating. And we'll knock out, let's say, 8 reps. Okay? So I'm going to have her step forward with her right foot first. Go ahead and step out for me. And then we're going to bring the back leg pretty close to the floor. Come along to this side for me. Now you can bring your back knee all the way to the ground or go just short. Either way is okay. And then you want an explosive leg extension here to go back up. Perfect. Okay, now let's hit this other leg. And in that bottom position, let's keep on going through these reps. Again, let's knock out 8. That's 2 so far. We'll do 6 more. Make sure the whole time eyes are straight ahead. Head is in a neutral position. Tall chest, shoulder blades pulled back. Yep, that looks perfect. 6, 2 more. Almost there. 7, last one, uno más, and 8. Perfect. That's the forward lunge, guys. Simple and plain. Hope that helps. And we'll catch you next time with the next one. Peace.
We've got a few things to not do as well on the forward lunge. So first, we have looking down. Do not look down. Your eyes, again, will follow your body, and this will lead to you leaning too far forward, which you want to avoid, especially if you've got weight on your back with a barbell. And also, looking down can lead to rounding your back, which you want to avoid at all costs, whether you're doing this body weight, dumbbells, barbell, anything. This is too far of a stride, too long of a step. Your muscles will be too lengthened in this position, which means the muscles will not be as strong, and we want to be as strong as possible on any movement that we're performing. Here is just a short stride. We want to try to aim for a moderate stride length. So not too short, not too long, but right in the middle. This is painful just looking at it. Make sure you avoid slamming your knee into the ground. I see this often when people are doing weighted lunges. They don't control themselves on the way down and end up slamming that back knee into the floor. Ow. Make sure you avoid that. Take your time. Slow, controlled, eccentric, especially when your knee's starting to approach the floor. Okay? That's it for today, guys. Thank you again, as always, and we will catch you next time. Be safe.